Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Ya Ali Madad. Hello everyone. So this is our tutorial that I told you that we're gonna do in the evening. So I just made it for you, and let's explore it, and let's see the presentation. Okay. So this will be your presentation. So your PowerPoint will be going to on, and this presentation you can see we're gonna do on the PowerPoint, and after that we will be going to do all the slides one by one. So first the turn will become like I'm also the part of the team, so I will be going to start speaking, that I will be going to explain all the people about that what we are doing and all that stuff. So I'm going to start from this photograph. First I will say the title, which is the digital farm, managing dairy with innovation and code. So this I will tell them, and then we will be going to tell them that okay, so this is our farm, and these are the animals which are there at the farm. So we have the buffaloes, we have the horse, we have the cows and hens and ducks, all these birds. And the special thing about these birds are that you can see that there's a star, and this is very special, and these birds are very special. They are very high quality breed, and there is some challenge with them in order to feed them. So that challenge I will tell afterwards. So like we have to give that as a mystery, and then they will be going to solve it, and then they will be going to do by themselves. So what we're gonna do is one more slide I want to add here. Right click, add a page. Okay, so now okay, by the way, we will be going to name it like the digital farm is like the Safety Digital Farm will be really nice. The Safety Digital Farm, SAIFY, Safety Digital Farm. So we will be going to have this Safety Digital Farm as our farm name. And so now here we will say that earlier, what we used to do was we used to use the traditional methods in order to do the farming, but now we use the technological methods, right? Earlier we were using the traditional methods, right? But now we are using the technological methods, or the digital methods, I will say digital methods. Okay, digital methods methods. Okay, so I will tell them, in order to enter the data, earlier when we were using the in order to entering the data, so what we were using is we were using the notebook, right? So we were using the notebook, so in order to enter the data. Okay, so we're going to use the notebook, but now we are doing all our data entry in Excel, because of its all the important features and everything. So earlier we were using this one, which is notepad, sorry, the physical notepad, and then now we are doing in this Excel, right? Earlier, in order to design something, we going to have for designing we are hiring the painters, and they are helping us in order to make the designs and all that things. So these people were there for them, but now we were using the PowerPoint in order to make our own designs. So this time we are using the PowerPoint. So I will be going to explain them. Okay, earlier we used to have the traditional methods, and all these things we will be going to explain them. I will be going to explain them. Okay, so now like this we can say and more, and I will just put here, and for example, like the text. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this text here, and I say more, like more things we are using that we will tell you in the talk, like this one we are doing. So we will be going to tell you that. Okay, so this is about my part will end here. Okay, then I will come in the last. Now it's your time, chance. Then I will say to I will also say this part also, which is okay, which class is doing what, and after telling them the traditional method that we used in our farm, but now digital methods we are using. So first I will tell them this, and after that I will go to this slide, and then I will tell them okay, so these are the things that my team is working on, and we all are as a team, we are working on all these points, right? Like class 7th is working on Excel, 6th is working on PowerPoint, 8 is working on game development, and 5th is working on coding Arduino boards. Yeah, so I will be going to tell them, and then we will be going to join everything, and we're going to join in such a way that this will be going to connect with each other, and then we will be going to tell them about importance of the teamwork and how the software collaborates with each other and make our business ideas, and likewise we can explain them. Then I will call to the class 7th. Okay, so all the students of the class 7th, please now pay your full attention, because this is the time that now I will be going to out of the stage, and then you guys will be going to performing. Yeah, so how you will do it, I will be going to call you for managing the farm with Excel. Okay, so you want to open the Excel. I will open the Excel only, and this is the daily chart that you have to make. Okay, so how you will going to make it. So first I'm taking its copy, I'm selecting all the cells. Okay, then I'm going to, okay, this copy, and click on the copy, and I'm going to the sheet 2, and I'm gonna paste it here. Let's paste it. Okay, so this is how you will be going to make the chart. Now how you gonna do it, it's simple. Okay, while making the chart you have to explain it. For example, this is a cell. Achha, one problem we are facing, that you can't see these cells, but you can click on it but you can't see them. So don't worry about it, because in the projector of Amatullah Hall there's so much of contrast, and because of this these lines are not visible. Okay, so don't worry about it. You just go ahead and select the 8 cells like this, and click on the merge and center, and then here give the heading as a dairy, digital dairy, or Safi digital digital dairy. Okay, and then you have to tell them the how we can make in the center. So you have to click like this, and you have to go to the you have to click on this cell, then you have to go to the home tab. Then after that, in the home tab we are having a group which is alignment, and we're going to click here, and it will go in the very center. Now you will tell them how to increase the size. So the person who is actually doing this work, that person will not say anything, but the another person who is having the mic, that person will be going to speak. Now one person will go here and say, okay, in order to increase the size of this font, we call it font, and we're going to go here, increase font size, and we have to click there, and it's increasing. In order to make it bold, again in the font group, click on the bold. Here we go, we got it. Then we will be going to make this line, this row, which is serial number, items per unit, like the price for one packet, and then CP and SP. Okay, so how to do that? Simple, go ahead and write S number for the serial number, then write items, and you can write per unit, so like unit cost, and you can also increase the columns from here. All right, like this. Oops. Okay, then you have to write CP, that's the cost price, and then you have to write SP for the selling price. All right, now you can go here and write down 1, and then you can just drag it this one and tell them, this is one of the mistake that we have. In order to solve it, just go ahead and write down the 2, and just select 1 and 2 together, and then go ahead and go down till 5. Delete this one. Okay, then enter these products like milk packet and everything. Just you have to write milk, and then paneer, PANEER, and you can ignore the packet if you want, like items per unit. Okay, you can do instead of items per unit, you can per packet. Okay, we are selling in packets, so one packet price it is. Okay, so like that you can do. You can write curd, and then you can write butter. Okay, and then you can write cheese, say cheese. Okay, this is the cheese. Now you have to give the selling price, so this is the price that you can do. If you forget these numbers, don't worry, you can give any price whatever you want. So like 22, I'm putting the same prices, 50, and then 25, and then the 50 again, and yeah, 50 here and 70 below. Just putting the numbers, that's it. So you can how you will sell, just increase 10 rupees, like 22, 32, 50, 60, like this. You can just increase the 10 rupees per item, 35, 60, or maybe if you want to increase 20 rupees, you can do that too. And this is the 80. Okay, so now you will calculate the selling price. You have to use a formula which is equal sum, SUM, and you have to target this one, which is this cell. It is L10. Okay, and this is a name box. You have to tell them this is a name box, and you are naming it like equal L10, and then you have to use the colon, which is 2 dots, like a snake bites, 2 dots colon. Okay, this L10, and then you are having L14, which is 1 4. And here we go. Just I missed something. I forgot to write some. Don't worry, just do it again. Equal SUM, sum, then bracket, write down L. What was that? L 10 1 0 10. Then again colon, and then L uh, 15. Okay, and just close the box and enter. I have put something wrong. This one, this L, everything was correct. Some L10 and then colon, then L15. What is the L15 by the way? Oh, I have to do L14. I can't select the cell where I am right now, so L14, it's good. Yeah, enter. Here we go, we got it. So this is the cost price, the total cost price. And similarly, in order to calculate the total this price for this individual, so we're gonna just click here and we can just put like this. So we can have the price of the second one. Just I did nothing but drag it, so it is automatically taking M10 and it is okay. There's some mistake. No, it's correct. Alhamdulillah, it's correct. This is M14. Great. So we got it, right? So this is our selling price and this is our cost price. Okay, now we will calculate the profit. So let me write profit, and we know that the profit is nothing but the selling price minus cost price. So what is the selling price? This is the selling price. What's the cell? It go to the name box, it's M15. And what's this cell? It is L15. So we're gonna do say equal M15 minus L15 15, and we're gonna hit the enter, and here we go. You got the 50 rupees, like 5 items and 10 rupees profit. 5 into 10, 50. Not the rocket science. Here we go, we have this profit if we are selling one item from each individual entity. Now just drag and just make the borders. How to make the border? Just select everything where you want the borders. I want the border till here, and then I have to go to home tab. In the font group, this is the borders, but you should not click here because sometimes this border will not appear here. You have to click the drop down, and then you have to search for the option which is all borders. Click on it, and here we go, you got the borders. Now this is it. Now you have to do one more thing. Just a second. Okay, you have to do one more thing, that whenever you are giving your this bill to the people who are doing the presentation, so they don't want the selling price, sorry, they don't want the cost price, the actual price of the items. They want the price which is selling price. So you have to tell them that how to delete this particular column. So what you're going to do is, first you will make it, you will duplicate this, you will copy it again, you will first select it, click on the copy here on top, and then you can, let's say, go to the new tab and new sheet, and you're going to click here, and then you can paste it, and here you got it. Okay, then you will click on the F, you right click, and you will delete it. Delete. Okay, so now the problem is that you don't have the profit. No issue, just delete this also. Here we are not telling that the price and everything, only we have to tell that what are the items and what is their selling price. That's it. So we're deleting the excuse me, we're deleting the column where we are having the cost price. Now we are having the selling price. So this particular thing we will be going to give to the people who are doing the presentation. Okay, so now we will go again to the page. We did it practically. Now one person will come from your team, and that person will be going to read this. You guys can decide who is coming here. So they will say, Alhamdulillah, it was really nice experience to make this inventory. What we can do for branding our firm? Can we give this data to perform can we give this data to a person? We can make it person who to a person who expertise in PowerPoint. So then any of the member of the team will come and say, yes, it's a very good idea. We can do that. With the stunning design, we could have high reach, like we can reach to more customers, right? So now you can say, I would request to our class 6 to come and help us with the design. Then you guys will be going to you will get out from the stage. Now it's time for class 6 to perform. Now one person from the class 6 will be going to read this. So branding farm with PowerPoint design. So one person can do this. Like, let's take the opportunity to explore some of the most important PowerPoint concepts. We will design as per the data and see the concept, like how to do slides, how to add slides, how to remove them, like add image, crop image, text, and much more. So all these things you will be going to tell them. Okay, and then whenever you have this, let's do it practically. So this is the action statement. So after this statement, you will be going to go to this PowerPoint. So all the software will be open, so you should not have to search for PowerPoint. What I will do is I will open all the softwares for you. So you just have to go there like this, and then you have to start. So this is the presentation that you will be going to make. I will be going to make this presentation for you again. So you have to go to the file, and then you have to go to the new. You have to take the blank, and you will get something like this. Then you have to right click, and then you have to insert a new slide like this, and you can insert few more new slides. Great. I think total 6 you will need. 1 2 3, new slide 4, new slide 5, and the last one, new slide 6. That's it. In the first slide, you will write about your farm, which is Saify, 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 digital farm. Okay, so you're gonna write like this. You can just adjust the boxes, and you have to tell to your audience that whenever you are adjusting the boxes, so you can see that this is changing. You can tell them how to make color the font. You have select this, and you can go to the home tab in the font group. You can go here, and you can just make a color like, say, green color. I like it. Okay, so now this is the Saify digital farm. You have given the heading. Okay, now after that, what you have to do is you want the table here. So rate tables, for example. So here only you can insert the rate table. How you will do that? Simple. You will go this Excel. Your seniors, they will not be going to close the Excel. You have to just press the minimize button. No one will close any of the software. Now this is will be open. So what you have to do is you have to go to the Excel. You have to select this like this till here, and then you have to click on the copy, and this data will be copied. You have to go again to the presentation, and here you will paste the list. For pasting, you will go to the home tab, and the very first option, which is the paste, you will click on it, and here we go. You got the idea. Like, you have now your Excel sheet. Now you're gonna drag it, and you can make it large. It's looking really nice. And this is the SP, which is the selling price, that the rate of items like milk and then paneer and curd and stuff like that. What you're gonna do is you will take the first row, and you will again copy it. You will go here to the next slide, and you will paste the first row here. You have to paste it. Okay, paste. Now it will come like this. You have to remove the 1, and this is the price 32. So write INR after 32, which is Indian rupees. Okay, and here you have to insert the image of the milk packet. So how you can do that? First, you have to go to the insert. Then in the insert, you have the images group. Go to the pictures, and in the pictures, go to this PC, and then go to the desktop. So in the desktop, you will be going to have a folder which is digital dairy pics. This folder is very, very important. You will find in the Amatullah Hall in Kian. You're gonna click on it, and here you will be going to have the pics. But I didn't find it. Let's see that where the pics are. Okay, so I think so. I have put it in somewhere else. Let me check it. Actually, I put here only, but okay, I'm sorry. I have to do it again. Let me check it out. But I really know that I put there only. This is digital dairy pics. It's the folder is empty. I had put it somewhere else. Let's check that where I put it. This is a folder. No, it's not there. It might be in the downloads. Yeah, I have this one, which is digital dairy pics. Acha, yeah, acha. So I'm just copying all of them. Control C, select, then Control C, and I'm putting the digital dairy pics. Control V, and I have my all the pictures here. You can see that. What I will do is I will go again to the PowerPoint, and now let's say first I'm doing for the milk packet. So this is I created already, so you have to create by your own. So just go ahead and pictures again, go to this folder which is a digital dairy pics. Now you will have it. Now click on the milk packet and then enter it, insert it, and you can tell them that you can also increase the size of the packet like this, and you can put all these boxes here and there, and you can just give it to a customer. So this is the milk. Similarly, you can have the second product, which is paneer. You will go to the second row, you will select the row, and then you will copy from here, and then you're gonna click on the third slide, and here you will click on this slide, and then you can paste it. Paste, and here we have write down 60 INR, which is 60 Indian rupees, and then you can just read the 2, and here you can insert the image of the paneer, and you can again go to the insert tab, go to the pictures, and here you will be going to have the paneer. Insert, and here we go, the paneer packet, one of my favorite. All right, so just put it here, and I can put like this. How to color the text? Just select the text, go to the home, and in the home tab you will be going to have shape fill. No, okay, I am missing something, I guess so. Home tab, this is correct. I got it. Font group. So here you can just color, click on this A, so it will green. If you want to change the color, so you can go ahead and change any of the color that you want. So you got the idea. So this is also, you can explain how to crop it. Let's say I want to crop this image, double click and go to the crop, and from here you can crop it if you want. So the part that you wanted to remove, you can just select only part that you want and then click outside the box, and the other part will be removed. So you can also tell them about the crop. So that is it. So for example, in this slide the milk packet is here, so do adjacent, like in the second slide put the paneer here and put the text of the paneer that side. It will really give a very nice effect. And whenever you are dragging any of the things, so you have to go on that line. For example, I am on the line, I am top of the line, like let's say there is a thread, and a thread ના ઉપર કોઈ ચીટી છે, તો આમ આપણે કર્સર બરાબર સી લાઈનના ઉપર રાખવાનું, પછી લેફ્ટ કીને પ્રેસ કરીને આપણે ટ્રેક કરવાનું છે. So this is how you will do. Okay, now for the paneer packet we did, and then you have to do for curd also, then butter also, and for cheese also. આ કરવા બાદ ફટાફટ અમને આ કરવું છે. પછી you will click on the first slide, you have to go to the transitions, and you have to put some transitions. I am putting fade, put the push here, then put the split, and put reveal, and put random bars. Just give some of the transitions, and after everything is completed, now this is ready for the customer, and we can go and click on the F5, or you can click here also. So this is start from the beginning, and this is our presentation is coming. Press the space bar, space bar, space bar, space bar, like that. Okay, so you have to, I have given you example for like 1 and 2 products, but you have to do for all the products. And in the last, you are making a business catalog design for your customers that you can send on the WhatsApp or anywhere as a PDF file or as a PPT file, so they can see your products, and they can also see the cost per packet. Sounds good? So this will be done by the people who are doing the PowerPoint presentation, which is my class 6th, right? Yeah, 6th. Now here come the class 7th. So class 6, now one person from you will come and say this one, which is Alhamdulillah, it was a really nice experience to convert the data into design. This will really help us to brand our firm in really appealing manner. So one person will says that, then the second person will come and say that what next step we can take to market our firm better. Okay, now the third person will come and say this, can we hire a game developer who can create a game for our firm? Then the fourth person will come and say, games are very addictive. With that, we can reach to more peoples. More peoples means more business. Okay, and 2 more people can come here, and you can also have some of the data. For example, you can also say this term also, like your more people, more business, something similar to that. Okay, your network is your net worth. Okay, your network, like how many people you're connected with. Your network is your net worth, which is your like the income that you are generating. So this line is also nice. So someone from your class can also speak this line, so you can take these lines. Okay, so one person will be going to take this line, your network is your net worth. Okay, so this is really nice. And then we will call our next team, which is Scratch, Huzefa, Hatim, and Sakina, Hussaina. You guys will come and you're gonna speak this. So one person will going to speak this. Now we're gonna market our farm with the help of game development. Now next person will come and say, let's code a game for our farm with the help of Scratch 3.0. We will build something that will really be highly addictive and help to attract lots of customers. So now this is the time when another person will come, which is Hatim Hakimuddin, and he will be going to do the Scratch. So when you will see the call to action, which is let's do it practically, your Scratch window will be open. So अपने यहाँ पे नीचे आपने दिख से Scratch open हसे, तो आपने Scratch पर जावाना, પછી જે आपने game development करवानु छे, तो वो आपने करवू छे. When you finish your game development, then you will be going to come to I think I had made this 2 times. Yeah. Now we will, okay, now the next class will come, which is class 5th. And these people will be going to do the next work, which is about coding Arduino. So now it's the time for the class 6. Okay. So I'm just taking this text, helping farm with coding, with Arduino coding. Now I'm taking this to the slide here and just making this text, like I'm just putting this text here and putting like this, and I'm just pasting it and I'm just changing it. Now this is the Arduino coding. So just I will be going to put some Arduino boards here, elements, write down Arduino. Okay, so I have a board. Let's take this board, the green board. Okay, and we will going to just put it here. And now after scratch, we will be going to discuss about the special birds. In the earlier, now that mystery will be solved. In the earlier, I told you that these two birds are special. Now why these two birds are special? Because the hens will be going to eat the grains if the grains are given by the farmer every 5 seconds. The farmer have to give every 5 seconds, so only then only these hens will eat. If the farmer is not giving the grain in 5 seconds, so they will not eat. What is the special thing about these two ducks? That these two ducks will only eat when the farmer is giving the grains in 2 seconds. Every 2 seconds if the farmer is giving, so they will eat. If the farmer is missing, so they will not eat. They will prefer to die, but they will not eat. And this is really special, because that duck will be going to eat only when the grains is given in a half second. So you have to make a system where you have to solve the problems of these ducks, so you can provide those Arduino system to the farmer, and then the farmer will see the light and throw the grain, and then the farmer will be also happy. Now we have to make the Arduino Uno system that will be going to throw the grains as per the time intervals. Okay, so first before doing that, you have to connect the Arduino board. I will make a separate video and I will connect that video with this video only. But first let's see the code, that how we will be going to do the code, and then we will see that how we will be going to attach with the help of the Arduino board. So both the things we will see, and in the last we can just say thank you, and that's about it. Just some dummy locations I put for the village, and that's it. And I think yeah, so now like scratch is done, and here I have to add one more slide. Let me add a slide, add a page. Now the star, okay, let's name it the star duck and the challenge, the star challenge. Solve the star challenge. We can name this one as the star challenge, okay, because this is really difficult. And okay, so now the star challenge. The star challenge is that, so this hands, where are the hands? Let me go to that slide. Okay, this one. Now these are the hands. I'm just selecting them, Control C, and I just wanted to paste it here. V. Okay, I'm very sorry, it's not start, it's star. Okay, now these hands will be going to eat the greens if you have given them, if you are, the farmer is putting the grain in like every 5 seconds. Okay, and we know that 1 second is having 5000 milliseconds, so we have to also tell that to the people that 1 second is equals to 1000 milliseconds. Great. Now we have to tell that, okay, so these are those hands that need the grains for the every 5 seconds. Okay, now we're gonna have again these ducks. Now these 3 ducks we are having, Control C for copying, and I'm going back, and here I'm gonna paste it out, Control V. Alright, so now this is very special and it is looking very special too. These 2 ducks will be going to eat when you are giving them the greens every 2 seconds. Every 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay. Now this is the duck. Now this duck will be going to eat every half second. It will only eat if you are throwing the grain every half second, which is like 1000 ms by 2, which is 5000 ms, which is half second. Half second is equals to 500 milliseconds, right? So this system we have to code in Arduino board. We will see that how to code it, but let's have some image of the farmer because it's a very big problem for the farmers. So let's help the farmer. Okay, just add a new page and we can put here some help farmer, HELP, help farmer. Okay, now these are the farmers pictures. This farmer, I think this guy is doing some work. I want image, photographs. Okay, these are the farmers. Let's take some image from here. Okay, so these are the farmers and actually they need our help, and let's help them with the help of Arduino code. Okay, now they all need the help for that. So now the class 5th will come and now they will say, okay, helping the farmers to do their work at the farm. Okay, so now you will be going to come there, and this story I can tell, or anyone can tell. Whatever I am saying you can write down as a dialogue, and whosoever is ready for it, so then we can have it. Okay, now you will directly go to this below here in the taskbar. So you are having this blue color icon, which is sketch, this your sketch for Arduino, right? You will go here and you will open it, and there's a shortcut control and plus to increase the size of the code, the font size, and control minus for the decreasing it. Okay, so now you have to connect the digital pin. So I'm writing one comment. So comment वो હોય છે જે आप જે आप लिखी सको છો, like, and it will not run for your own purpose. You are writing it. So digital pin you have to use. You should not use the analog pins. Very important point. Now the first thing important here is that you will, inside the setup function, you will use the pin mode function. ठीक है सब पिन मोड फंक्शन आप यूज़ करशो અને એનામાં આ બે ચીજ પુટ કરશો. અગર આપ પિન નંબર 8 યુઝ કરી રહ્યા છો તો यहाँ 8 लिखशो અને 8ના બાદ આપ यहाँ लिखશો આઉટપુટ. હા, જ્યારે આપ આઉટપુટ लिखશો તો એના પહેલાં કેપ્સલોકને આપને પ્રેસ કરવાનું, કેમ કે આઉટપુટ જે આપણે लिखશું આ પૂરા અપર કેસમાં આવશે. ઇટ વિલ કમ ઇન ધ અપર કેસ, રાઈટ. હવે यहाँ पर अपने फंक्शन्स लिखવાનું છે. तो अपने फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट करशूँ. अपने 5000 પછી 2000 પછી 500. પહેલાં આપણે હેન્સને ફીડ કરશું જે એવરી 5 સેકન્ડ લેશે, પછી ડક્સને જે એવરી 2 સેકન્ડ લેશે, અને પછી સ્મોલ ડકને જે કે એવરી હાફ સેકન્ડ લેશે. ઠીક છે સાહેબ. કેમ કરવાનું, એનામાં ડિજિટલ રાઇટ लिखવાનું છે. આપણે સ્પેલિંગ પર બરાબર ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે સાહેબ. ડિજિટલનો એવરીથિંગ વિલ બીકમ લોઅર કેસ. સો ધીસ ઇઝ માય મોબાઈલ સ્ક્રીન. આપ જોઈ શકો છો यहाँ पर એવરી 5 સેકન્ડ આ એલઈડી ગ્રો થશે અને 5 સેકન્ડ बाद બંધ થઈ જશે. ઠીક છે સાહેબ. હવે यहाँ બરાબરથી જોશો કે यहाँ पे પોર્ટ નંબર 8 પર મેં ये પોઝિટિવ કનેક્શન લીધા છે જે રેડ વાયરથી આવી રહ્યા છે, અને જેમ આપણે ખબર છે જીએનડી જે હોય છે यहाँ से अपने नेगेटिव कनेक्शन લઈએ છે. તો આ નેગેટિવ કનેક્શન અહીંયાથી જઈને यहाँ આવ્યા, પછી રજિસ્ટર અને પછી આ લેગના ઉપર, અને હવે આ જે છે આ પોઝિટિવ છે. તો આ બરાબરથી કનેક્શનને આપ સ્ટડી કરજો એના કેમ થાય છે. કનેક્શન એકદમ ઇઝી હોય છે. 8 પર લગાયા છે અને બીસરા આપણે ગ્રાઉન્ડ જીએનડી પર લગાયા છે. હવે આપણે यहाँ पर કોડમાં ચેન્જ કરશું. હમણાં એને મને 2 સેકન્ડ માટે કરવું છે, તો यहाँ पर 5000ને મેં ચેન્જ કરીશ અને यहाँ पर 2 કરી આપીશ, અને નીચે બી જઈને એને મેં 2 કરી આપીશ. 2. ઠીક છે. હવે મેં પાછા મેં ચેક કરશું કોડને. આગળના ક્લિક હિયર. પછી મેં આ ચેક કરી રહ્યા છે. હા, હવે આ કોડને મેં પુશ કરશું આ એરો બટનને ક્લિક કરીને. મારા આ કોડ મારા કમ્પ્યુટરથી જઈને હવે અર્ડિનોમાં આવી જશે. હવે આપ જોશો કે એવરી 2 સેકન્ડમાં આ બ્લિંક થશે અને 2 સેકન્ડ લગ બ્લિંક થશે. 1 2 સ્ટોપ, 1 2 ગ્લો. ઓકે, આ 2 સેકન્ડ લગ આમ થઈ રહ્યા છે. હવે આપણે એને જે સ્મોલ ડક છે એના માટે કરશું. તો હવે આ 2000ને મેં ચેન્જ કરીને પછી 5000 કરી આપશું. ડિલે ફોર ધ 5000 નહીં 500. ડિલે ફોર ધ 500. તો એના અંદર જઈને હા ક્લિક કરવાનું રહે છે અને પછી આ નંબર્સને ચેન્જ કરવાનું રહે છે. આ થઈ ગયા. હવે મેં यहाँ पे ચેક કરશું એરોના ઉપર ટિકના ઉપર ક્લિક કરીને કમ્પાઇલર એને કમ્પાઇલ કરશે, ચેક કરશે કે મારા બરાબર છે કે નહીં કોડ. હવે આ પહેલાંના આઉટપુટ છે 2 સેકન્ડમાં જે આપણે કરી રહ્યા હતા. હવે આપણે यहाँ પર મેં પાછા કોડને પુશ કરશું તો આ જે પુશ બટન છે આ એરોવાળું એનાથી પુશ થાય છે સાબ કોડ. ઠીક છે, હવે આ પુશ થયો કે કોડ પાછા હું છું મેં. હવે જો આ સ્મોલ ડક માટે છે કે એવરી હાફ સેકન્ડમાં એલઈડી ગ્લો થઈ રહ્યા છે. ઠીક છે સબ, આ हमारा ક્લાસ 5 ના બચ્ચાઓ સા પરફોર્મ કરશે, ઘણો મજા આવશે ઇન્શાલ્લાહ. તો આ છે આજની વિડીયોમાં. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ, જઝાકલ્લાહુ ખૈરન. મે અલ્લાહ બ્લેસ our Mawla with a long and healthy life. Thank you so much for watching the video. Jazakallahu khairan.